Hello friends, welcome to Learn GK 247. So today in this video we discuss most important top 100 general knowledge question. So let's start. Question 1. The Koina Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer: Maharashtra. Kanwar Lake is located in which part of India? Answer: Begusarai, Bihar. Pranjesh Prabhakaran is related to which sport? Answer: Tennis. The Khirganga National Park is situated in which state? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Nicaragua? Answer: Managua. Who is the chairman of the Life Insurance Corporation of India? Answer: Sri M.R. Kumar. What is the national game of China? Answer: Table tennis. The Asian Hockey Federation is headquartered at? Answer: Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. What is the currency of Uzbekistan? Answer: Uzbekistani Som. In which state is the Siddhivinayak temple situated? Answer: Maharashtra. The Raichur Super Thermal Power Station is based in which state? Answer: Karnataka. Where is the Maharaja Bir Vikram Airport is located? Answer: Agartala, Tripura. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO? Answer: Paris, France. Bhagalpur is a city in Bihar. It is based along the banks of which river? Answer: Ganga River. Merdeka Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: Football. The Indian folk dance Tertali has its origin from which state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. What is the largest lake in India? Answer: Vembanad Lake. Sukhna Lake Wildlife Sanctuary is in? Answer: Chandigarh. Kamalang Tiger Reserve is situated in which Indian state? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Population Fund located? Answer: New York, United States. Who is known as the father of modern tourism? Answer: Thomas Cook. The Camera Dam is in which state? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. In which state of India is the Sirohi National Park located? Answer: Manipur. Kota is a city in Rajasthan. It is situated along the banks of which river? Answer: Chambal River. Who is famously known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? Answer: M.S. Swaminathan. The World Science Day for Peace and Development is an annual event observed on. Answer: 10th November. Name the Chief Minister of Manipur. Answer: N. Biren Singh. What is the currency of South Africa? Answer: South African Rand. In which state is the Simlipal National Park located? Answer: Odisha. Kathak is a famous classical dance. Has origin from which state? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Jyoti Singh Randhawa is a professional player of which sport in India? Answer: Golf. Yerevan is the capital of which country? Answer: Armenia. When is the World Wildlife Day observed? Answer: 3rd March. The Mount Harriet National Park is located in which state or union territory? Answer: Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where is the headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Answer: Beijing, China. Where is the headquarters of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Answer: Bengaluru. What is the currency of Indonesia? Answer: Indonesian rupiah. What is the currency of Kazakhstan? Answer: Kazakhstani tenge. Who is the head of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Answer: Subhash Chandra Khuntia. Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer: B.D. Mishra. Where is the Vivekananda Yuba Bharti Kridangan Stadium located? Answer: Kolkata, West Bengal. The Kamarjar Port Limited is located at. Answer: Chennai. For which field is the Aga Khan Award is given? Answer: Architecture. In which state of India is the Pench Tiger Reserve situated? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Riga is the capital of which country? Answer: Latvian. The International Organization for Standardization is located in which country? Answer: Geneva, Switzerland. The Bhupen Hazarika Setu is situated in which state? Answer: Assam. World Ozone Day is celebrated on which day? Answer 16th September. Who is the president of Bulgaria? Answer Rumen Radev. The Indraprastha Power Generation Cooperative Limited is the electricity generation company of which government? Answer Delhi government. The Nizam Sagar Dam is located in which state? Answer Telangana. Which port is also known as the Deen Dayal Port Trust? Answer Kandla Port. Pasighat Airport is in which state? Answer Arunachal Pradesh. The Kinnan Stadium is located in which city? Answer Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport is in which state or union territory? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. The Tadoba National Park is situated in which state? Answer Maharashtra. Pando Dam is located in which state? Answer Himachal Pradesh. In which state the Mopa Airport located? Answer Goa. Where is the headquarters of India Post Payments Bank Limited located? Answer New Delhi. Dakar is the capital of which country? Answer Senegal. Where is the headquarters of the World Anti-Doping Agency situated? Answer Montreal, Canada. Nagartram is the basic monetary unit of which country? Answer Bhutan. N. Biren Singh is currently serving as the Chief Minister of which state? Answer Manipur. Bor Tiger Reserve is situated in which state of India? Answer Maharashtra. Satindra Mohan Dev Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium situated at? Answer Silchar, Assam. The Almaty Dam on the river Krishna is situated in which state? Answer Karnataka. Where is the headquarters of the Lakshmi Vilas Bank located? Answer Chennai. The Sikka Thermal Power Station is located in the which state? Answer Gujarat. What is the full form of UNCDF? Answer United Nations Capital Development Fund. Who is the founder of Agra? Answer Sultan Sikandar Lodi. In which Indian state is the Raimona National Park located? Answer Assam. B. Sai Praneeth is associated with which sports? Answer Badminton. San Jose is the capital of which country? Answer Costa Rica. Mayureshwar Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? Answer Maharashtra. When is the National Girl Child Day of India observed? Answer 24th January. In which state is the Anshi National Park located? Answer Karnataka. Mallakhambh is a traditional sport of which state of India? Answer Madhya Pradesh. V.O. Chidambarnar Port is situated in which state? Answer Tamil Nadu. Where is the Satyendra Mohan Dev Stadium located? Answer Silchar, Assam. India Post Payment Bank is headquartered in which city? Answer New Delhi. Sanaa is the capital of which country? Answer Yemen. When is the Good Governance Day observed in India? Answer 25th December. Where is the Vandur National Park situated? Answer Andaman and Nicobar. Bargi Dam is located in which state of India? Answer Madhya Pradesh. When is the World Soil Day observed? Answer 5th December. Where in India is the headquarters of Fino Payments Bank located? Answer Mumbai. In which state is the Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Dam located? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Who is the Textile Minister of India? Name? Answer Piyush Goyal. When is the World Heritage Day observed? Answer 18th April. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy is awarded in which field? Answer Sports. The World Wide Fund for Nature is located at? Answer Gland, Switzerland. The Jai Prakash Narayan Airport is based in which state of India? Answer Bihar. Who is the author of the book titled Tales and Legends from India? Answer Ruskin Bond. What is the state animal of Madhya Pradesh? Answer Barasingha. Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards are given on which day? Answer Republic Day. Which state in India has the highest number of urban cooperative banks? Answer Maharashtra. Where is the headquarters of European Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Answer London, United Kingdom. The currency which has a tendency of quick migration is called? Answer hot currency. The Malai Mahadeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? Answer Karnataka. When is the World Pulses Day observed? Answer 10th February. So friends, thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.